Hey there, YouTube fam! Today, we're diving into the exciting world of content creation and exploring the pros and cons of long-form videos versus YouTube Shorts. Buckle up, because we're about to unravel the good and not-so-good things about both. Let's start with long-form content. One of the biggest advantages of longer videos is the ability to dive deep into a topic. With more time, creators can provide valuable insights, detailed explanations, and comprehensive guides. Long-form content allows for a thorough exploration, fostering a stronger connection with viewers who crave in-depth knowledge. Another advantage of longer videos is the potential for higher watch time. YouTube's algorithm rewards videos that keep viewers engaged for longer periods, increasing the chances of being recommended and gaining more exposure. Plus, longer videos allow creators to showcase their creativity, storytelling abilities, and unique personalities, attracting a dedicated fanbase. However, there are some drawbacks to long-form content. Firstly, attention spans are shrinking, making it challenging to retain viewers' interest for extended periods. It's crucial to break up the content into digestible segments, engage viewers consistently, and offer visual variety to prevent boredom. Now let's talk about YouTube Shorts. These short, snappy videos have gained immense popularity, thanks to the way they capture attention quickly. Their bite-sized format is perfect for capturing viewers on the go, as people are increasingly consuming content in shorter bursts. One significant advantage of Shorts is their potential for virality. With the Shorts shelf and the Shorts tab, your content has a higher likelihood of appearing in front of new audiences. This can lead to rapid growth and increased engagement with your channel. However, Shorts do have some limitations. Due to their short duration, creators often find it challenging to deliver a comprehensive message or dive deep into a topic. It's important to craft concise, impactful content that can resonate with viewers in a short span and encourage further engagement. In conclusion, long-form content offers depth, connection, and increased watch time, while YouTube Shorts allow for quick, viral growth and cater to shorter attention spans. The key is to find a balance that suits both your creative style and your viewers' preferences. So, experiment, learn, and remember to always stay true to your unique voice as a creator. Keep creating and keep inspiring.